Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video we are going to talk about another problem that we got from PUTNAM training from Northwestern in 2021. Here we have two expressions. They are based on log. For the first one we have log of 3 in base 2, and for the second one we have log of 5 in base 3, and we are looking for to find which one is greater. Obviously we are not going to use any calculator here. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, as usual, please make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem. We are going to see you in about 15 seconds. Meanwhile, please consider to subscribe to this channel and we will talk about the solution in a bit. To solve this problem, we are going to use the normal stuff that people usually use when we have this kind of problem. We are going to use x for log of 3 in base 2 and y for log of 5 in base 3. If x is equal to log of 3 in base 2, then we can say that 3 is equal to 2 to the power of x, and similarly we can say 5 is equal to 3 to the power of y. So what we have now is we have 3 is equal to 2 to the power of x and 5 is equal to 3 to the power of y. We know that 5 is greater than 3. It just leads to 3 to the power of y is greater than 2 to the power of x. From here, unfortunately, we are not going to be able to see what relationship we have between x and y. Since 3 is greater than 2, and 3 to the power of y is also greater than 2 to the power of x. So it's not possible to compare x and y here. From now on, I'm going to try to have the same base, or at least something that I can rely on. Let's continue the discussion. We have 3 is equal to 2 to the power of x, and we have 5 is equal to 3 to the power of y. It's not easy to make the same base. However, I'm going to start with something that is kind of obvious. I'm going to take power of 3 from the first one and power of 2 for the second one. It leads to 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x, and 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 2y. Now we can say that 3 to the power of 3 is basically 8 to the power of x, and 5 to the power of 2 is basically 9 to the power of y. Now we have something interesting. We have 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 to the power of x, and 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 9 to the power of y. 3 to the power of 3 is basically 27, and 5 to the power of 2 is basically 25. 27 is greater than 25, so 8 to the power of x is greater than 9 to the power of y. As you can see here, we have 8 for base and 9 for the base. On the other hand, 8 is less than 9, but when we took power of x and y, we are seeing 8 to the power of x is greater than 9 to the power of y. You can say that because the base on the left side is less than the base on the right side, then exponents should be greater. We can prove it too. If we take log from the final inequality that we have, we are going to see something interesting. Let's take log in base 8 from both sides. We are going to end up with x is greater than y times log of 9 in base 8. Since x and y are both positive, we are going to divide both sides by y, and we know that y is not 0. So at the end we will see x over y is greater than log of 9 in base 8. Since 9 is greater than 8, log of 9 in base 8 is going to be greater than 1. And as a result, x is going to be greater than y. and x is equal to log of 3 in base 2, which is greater than y, or log of 5 in base 3. And that concludes our solution. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to this channel. Also make sure that you check other videos and playlists that we created, and we will see you in the next video.